Hello friends, welcome to our video. I am Vivek and in this video I am going to show you how to add a custom font in your Shopify store. So let's get started. In this series of Shopify tutorials, we have previously covered many things related to the custom coding of Shopify. This includes changing the color and text of Buy It Now button, display the selected images for the selected variant, as well as some other useful tutorials as well. If you want to go and see these videos, check out our YouTube channel. Let's get back to our topic, where we will see how to add a custom font in your Shopify store. Sometimes you might want that particular element like this header tag should be visible in a separate font. For that, you can add your custom font in your Shopify store using some extra code in your Shopify theme. Let's see how you can do it. So first, go to your theme and here go to the theme section. Here I am showing the demo on the Dawn theme with a version of 14. Here you will see edit code option. Before editing the code, I would recommend to take a backup of this Dawn theme, your existing theme, because it is good for practice to keep your original code safe with you in case if you want to revert the changes. So for that, I am creating a copy of existing code. Now the copy of existing theme is created. I'll go ahead and edit the code. So to do that, I'll simply click on the edit code button. Now here I'll search for the file base.css. Now I will go to the bottom of this file and here we will be adding our code for font file for adding the custom font file. So before adding the code, we will have to add our file in our Shopify store file section. To do that, I'll go to the admin section of Shopify store. Here go to the content, files, upload files and upload the custom font file that you want to add in your Shopify store. Please note the type of font file needs to be WOFF2. It is supported by Shopify. So if you have font file of any other format like TTF, you can simply convert it into the WOFF format as well. You can find many online converters as well. Now once you have files in your Shopify store, copy the link and go back to base.css code. Now here we will be adding our custom code to include this font file in our Shopify store. Alright, so let's add our code to add custom font for your Shopify store. So first add the font face tag. So to do that, here @ font dash face Now here add the source In the URL, we have pasted the link of the file that we uploaded previously in the Shopify file section. Format is WOFF2. Now the font face is added, which means font file's URL has been specified in the base.css. Now let's add this font family in our Shopify store. So for example, in our case, we will be adding this for all the header sections of our Shopify store. To do that, simply mention the header tags like this. Make it comma separated. And now specify the font family. That's it. Now save this custom code and go back to our Shopify store. Alright, so here you can see for all the header sections, the elements having the header tag are now shown in the new font, which is the custom font that we added. Now let's say if we want this font to be shown for the whole website, then simply change here to star and save it. Let's go back to our Shopify store and refresh it. Now you will see that the complete font of your website has been changed. So that's all for the video. In this video we have seen how to add a custom font in your Shopify store. I hope it was useful for you.